Hello guys, in the previous part I mapped a single table to Java class using JPA. In relational database world, tables associated to each other with some kind of relationships, and it is rare to see a standalone table on its own. So today I'll talk about two kinds of associations between tables and save one for the last part. In the ER diagram in front of us, we can see a relationship between customer table and account table. It is one-to-one relationship, and that means one customer has one and only one account, and one account belongs to one and only one customer. The usual and common way to create this relationship is by what we call a foreign key. The customer table has a column of the same data type as the primary key of the account table. And this column is defined as a foreign key. So, back again to Eclipse IDE to see how to map this one-to-one relationship using JPA. I created some classes, each for a table, and turned them to entities as I described in the previous tutorial. You can follow the link in the description for the first part. The simplest way to map the mentioned one-to-one relationship is by declaring a new field of type account. And annotated it with @one-to-one annotation. If the name of the field differs from the name of the foreign key, then I have to add a new annotation and set the name attribute to the exact same name as the foreign key. Enough and easy. By this, I can tell what account belongs to a certain customer, a one-direction relationship. But what if I have a list of accounts and I need to know which customer has a certain account? Then I need to modify the account class by adding an instance field of type customer. And set the mapped by attribute of one-to-one annotation to the exact same name as the instance field of type account. Easy, huh? That's all for one-to-one relationship. So what about one-to-many? Let's go back to our ER diagram. The customer table associated to phone table with a one-to-many relationship. And that means one customer has one or more phone numbers, but one phone number belongs to only one and only one customer. The same concept of foreign key is used here. As you can see in the phone table, there is a column of the same data type as the primary key of the customer table, and it is defined as a foreign key. So back again to Eclipse to see how to map this one-to-many relationship. I will add an instance variable of type customer. And annotated it with many-to-one annotation. Many phones belongs to one customer, and the join column is customer. The customer class, I will add a collection private of type phone, and annotated it with one-to-many, and the attribute mapped by is set to the name of the customer. And that's it. Simple and easy, huh? Okay guys, that's all for today. Up till next time, live and enjoy. Bye bye.